Welcome, today I am with Motorola Vervebuds 110 and I will show you how you can move them to the pairing mode. So in most cases, when you remove them from the charging case, these indicators that you can find right here will blink on the red and the blue. But in my case, it's not working, so how we can fix it? Currently they are turned off. As you can see right here, the indicators are not blinking, so they are not activated. To turn them on, we have to press this and this touch control panel for a few seconds. So let's make it right now. Click and hold both Motorola logo, keep holding. When they start blinking on the red and the blue, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So take a look right now. On the available devices list, we can finally find our headphones. So we can just tap on them once and we will be connected. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.